the decimal representation of this number will terminate after how many decimal places. They've asked this. If, look at the denominator comprises only 2's and 5's, which means it's certainly going to be a terminating decimal, no doubt at all. To find out how many decimal places will it end with, will it terminate with, the way to go about it is basically take this denominator and ensure that the powers of 2 and 5 are the same. Let's do that. Here the power of 2 is a 2, the power of 5 is a 1. So I need to make the power of 5 also as 2. So we already have a 5. Let me multiply it with one more 5. I multiplied the denominator with a 5. To retain the validity of this number, not to change the number, I need to multiply the numerator also with a 5. So both these 5's will get cancelled to leave us with the original number. But what it does to us is 23 times 5, which is 115. Let's keep that in abeyance for a moment. Let's not worry about it. The denominator becomes 2 square times 5 square. 2 square times 5 square is nothing but 2 into 5 the whole square, which is equal to 100. 115 by 100. Shift the decimal places 2 to the left. That's going to be 1.15. So how many decimal places will it terminate? It's going to terminate after 2 decimal places. The idea is to make the denominator a power of 10. How do we make it? You can make it only when the powers of 2 and 5 are the same. Quickly run through this in a printed form. To find the number of decimal places after which a fraction will terminate, first and foremost, you need to ensure that the denominator comprises only 2's and 5's. Otherwise, it's not going to be terminating. Make the powers of 2 and 5 in the denominator the same by multiplying and dividing the fraction by an appropriate number. What we have here is the power of 2 is 2, the power of 5 is 1. We need to make the power of 5 also as a 2. So multiply and divide this expression by a 5. Once you do that, you get 115 upon 2 square, which is 1.15. It's going to terminate after 2 decimal places. If you have a 10 power 7, it will terminate after 7 decimal places. That's what it is. Whatever is the power of 10 that you find is the number of decimal places after which it's going to terminate. Choice B is the answer to this question. Before you leave, I want you to do 2 things. 1, register at online.maxtute.com to get started with your CBSE Class 9 online math tuition. It takes all of 3 steps and less than 5 minutes to get started with your CBSE Class 9 online math tuition. Second, I want you to subscribe to this channel, youtube.com/maxtute, and turn on notifications. Until next time, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay motivated.